Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making Bacalao Guisado, which is codfish stew. The ingredients I'm going to be using today to make this is salted codfish. I'm using half of a green pepper, half of a red pepper, 1 whole red onion, garlic. I'm using 1 can of tomato sauce, and I'm using cilantro, a handful of cilantro, and I'm using a handful of parsley. So let's get started. What I'm doing now is I'm rinsing the salt off the codfish. Right now what I'm doing is I'm boiling the bacalao to remove the salt. I'm going to rinse it at least twice to see if I remove most of the salt. Normally you soak the bacalao the night before and the next day you rinse off the salted water at least 2 to 3 times. But I'm doing this spur of the moment, so that's the reason why I have to go this route. So I will check back with you in a few minutes. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my other ingredients ready, chop up all my veggies, and get everything together so that when this is finished, I'll be able to make the Bacalao Guisado. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm boiling the Bacalao so I can start cooking it. And that's only going to take me about maybe 20 minutes, and that's it, and this will be done. In the meantime, I'm going to get my sofrito together, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to add. So now my bacalao is cool to the touch. It's cool enough to handle. So now I'm going to break it into little pieces. You can use either your hand or you can use either a fork. It doesn't matter. Okay guys, so this is how you want your bacalao, into little pieces like this. Okay, so now I'm adding the peppers, the onions, and the garlic. I'm going to add the cilantro also. Okay, so now that the veggies are basically cooked down, I'm going to start adding my seasoning. I'm just adding some black pepper. I'm not adding any salt to it because it's already salty. I'm going to add some sesame completa. I'm going to add some frijol. And you just taste this as you go to see if it's enough seasoning for you. So now I'm going to add the bacalao. Now at this point, try not to stir too much because you don't want your bacalao to break into smaller pieces than what it already is. And to this, I'm adding a half a cup of white wine. And I'm going to add the olives in. And then I'm going to add the Boniato in. The reason why I left the Boniato for last is because if I would have added the Boniato too soon, it would have became mush. So that's the reason why I left it for the end, when everything was basically finished. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, just to take away some of that bitterness. Alright, so it's ready to serve. So I'm going to plate this. Okay, guys, this is my bacalao, finally finished. Look how delicious it is. All the vegetables you can see, the potatoes, the olives, everything. Well, I added extra olives, so let me not even lie, but I added extra olives because the olives at the bottom. You know me, everything hasn't looked pretty. But anyway, this is my dinner and I can't wait to eat this. But thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Muchas bendiciones. Bye bye.